Most people will stay broke in 2025 and they don't even know why. It's not about how much money you make, it's about what you do with it. Today, I'm revealing the secret formula that self-made millionaires use to build financial freedom. Stay till the end for a proven step-by-step strategy to start making serious money in 2025. Wealth isn't just about money, it's about mindset. It's about how you think, feel, and act towards money. You could hand a lottery ticket to someone living in poverty, and they might still end up broke. And they'd find a way to lose it all. Why? Because their mindset is not aligned with wealth-building principles. Because their mindset isn't programmed for wealth. The rich think differently. They have a mindset geared towards growth and abundance. They see opportunity where others see obstacles. They turn challenges into stepping stones. They're not afraid to take calculated risks and invest in themselves. They understand the value of personal growth and continuous learning. While the poor focus on spending, often on things that depreciate in value, the wealthy focus on investing. Surround yourself with success. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend seminars, invest in your mind, upgrade your beliefs, and watch your financial reality transform. Your mindset is the key to unlocking true wealth and financial freedom. You cannot rely on just one paycheck anymore. The world is changing rapidly, and job security is no longer guaranteed. The average millionaire has at least 7 sources of income. This isn't just a coincidence, it's a deliberate strategy to build and protect wealth. Diversification is not just a financial strategy, it's a survival strategy. By spreading your investments, you reduce risk and increase potential returns. Look at your skills, passions, and interests. What can you offer the world? Create an online course, write an ebook, start a side hustle, invest in real estate. The possibilities are endless. Don't wait for permission. Create your own opportunities. The best time to start is now. Take action, experiment, and never be afraid to fail your way to success. Each failure is a lesson that brings you closer to your goals. Every dollar you earn from a different source is another step towards financial freedom. Diversify your income and secure your financial future. In today's economy, knowledge is power, but skill is king. The fastest way to escape financial struggle is to develop a high-demand, high-value skill. Think coding, copywriting, digital marketing, sales, investing, consulting. These are the skills businesses are desperately seeking. You don't have to go back to school. Learn online, often for free or at a fraction of the cost. Identify a high-income skill that resonates with you. Commit to mastering it. Unlock a level of earning potential you never thought possible. The wealthy don't just save money, they multiply it through strategic investments and smart financial planning. Money sitting in a bank account loses value due to inflation. Over time, the purchasing power of your savings diminishes. Put your money to work in assets that generate passive income and appreciate in value. This includes rental properties, stocks, and bonds. Real estate, businesses, precious metals, cryptocurrencies, all viable investment vehicles. Diversify to spread risk. Investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about making smart strategic decisions. Educate yourself thoroughly before investing. Read books, take courses, seek guidance from mentors. Continuous learning is key to successful investing. Understand the risks involved and learn how to manage them effectively. Risk management is crucial. The greatest investment you can make is in your own financial education. Equip yourself with knowledge and skills. Apply these 4 steps. Shift your mindset. Build multiple income streams, master high-income skills, and invest wisely, and you will become financially free. It won't happen overnight. It takes commitment, discipline, and an unwavering belief in yourself. Smash that like button if this video helped you. Comment "I'm ready for wealth" if you're serious about changing your life in 2025. Subscribe for more game-changing strategies.